We're here inside the cruise now, waiting for our room to be ready. Okay, selfie muna tayo habang naghihintay. I'll show you around here. So, may mga tindahan sila sa loob. Mga imported, mga branded. Like Chanel, Dior, Celine. Ito naman ang kanilang teatro. So, tatlo yung teatro nila dito sa loob. Ito yung pinakamalaki. As you can see here, wala pang tao kasi kaboboard lang namin. And our room is not ready yet. So, dito muna ako at ikot-ikot sa loob. Later, I show you the pool outside. And, oh my God, nahilo ako sa elevator. At meron din sila ito, chandelier, ang ganda. Meron din silang casino dito. Kung naboboard ka, pwede ka maglaro dito. Noos, manalo ka or matalo. As you can see here, we are now outside of the cruise. So here is the swimming pools, mga kids pools, at mayroon din adult pools. At mayroon din sa taas, entertainment. Finally, we are here now in our room. Look at this view. Beautiful. Amazing. Look at this way.